talking to, Black Sapphire Cookie? Are they in the same room with us right now? Why is Shadow Milk Cookie still busy with those good-for-nothings? Huh? Oh, that was cute! But unfortunately for you, only Shadow Milk Cookie decides what's what around here! You fool! Say, if I were to melt you, would I get syrup or jam? Mix and mash and turn it into sticky gooey toffee.
It was easy. I'm a really good swimmer. Excuse me. I will fight for the place where I'm free to live together and exist as me. You got me. Tiny hands. My only weakness. You seem to attract a lot of danger.
Name?
That's a lie. Your middle name is Cutie Pie. Make sure you're a good experience. Nope. Steven! I have to burn this too. Love at first sight doesn't exist. Love takes time and love takes work. Hello, this is Mom Universe. He needs rest. We look awesome.
자, 자신감 있게 가자. 수업 시작할게. 자, 모두 조용. 비켜줄래? 지각할지도 몰라. 지각이야. 내가 선생님인데. 다시 한번 갈까? 힘들면 쉬었다 가자.
My behind's not big. I'm big. Technically, it's to scale. Excuse me, madam. What kind of scone is this? Ooh, tasty. Oh, you just made a big mistake, buddy. Just chase us already! Sabotage the other team. Didn't think of that, did ya, Temple? I can't believe I trusted her. She is such a jerk. I just wanna... You are full of such fraud spit. Super oblivious. This isn't over! You're wrong. I'm not that selfish. Wow. I feel lighter somehow. More free. What do I say? After everything you've done?
I'm Serial Designation N. Nice to meet you. I'm kind of the leader of the squad in this city. That's not true. Everyone tells me I'm useless and terrible. Wait, I'm not supposed to tell you that part! Biscuits. Well, honesty is the best policy. I also can't seem to remember the past 3 hours of my life. But I'm sure that'll sort itself out. Saliva neutralizes the nanites. Otherwise, I'd be constantly disassembling myself. Sweet, I'm open to new things. Talking about what? Consider it, repressed. So, obviously a lot of mutual respect there, but secretly, I actually kind of have a crush on her. You can't tell her, okay? Awesome. My, you sure are rebellious. It's kind of exciting. But not as fun as, following the rules. Oh! You know, I left an extremely dangerous weapon, excuse now, fellas. Ooh, deal me in. I love rummy. You know, not that I can't wait to keep murdering all these, maybe not so actually different from us worker drones, but just out of curiosity, do we actually, know what the company plans to do with us afterwards? Okay, so a worker earlier might have suggested that they could fix up our landing pod to, escape the planet and stuff, which, whoa, hey, that's against the rules! But it is kind of making me question why our pods were only one way in the first place.